As the world becomes more and more digitally focused, good website design is more important than ever. Imagine you're a world-famous artist from the past, now working for a boss who tells you that you need to modernize how you sell your work. That means going online. Excited, you design a website that you think will be amazing, but the time comes to test the website from a user perspective, and you find that, really, it's a mess. The colors hurt your eyes, you can't figure out how to get around the site, and worst of all, the pages take forever to load. How are people supposed to buy art from a site when this is what they have to work with? So, dejected, you close the window with the realization that people will probably look for masterpieces elsewhere. Most websites provide a service you can also get elsewhere, so it's important that the site doesn't put users off. There are lots of things to consider when designing a website, some of which may not even cross your mind, or which may seem unimportant. It's easy to get it wrong, but it's also possible and achievable to get it right. So, let's take a look at the basics of effective web design.